Okay. What is your name and where do you stay?
My name is Deepti and
My name is Ankaj.
we stay at Hidden in Manu Estate.
Okay. What's your child's age?
He is 4 years.
Okay. What type of play school were you searching for him?
We were looking at, he's also gone to Sera in pre-nursery that was in Pune. So we wanted to put him in Sera because we found Sera to be hygienic, they believe in fun and learning. So in terms of a preschool, play school, this was, we had a good experience at Sera, Pune. So we wanted the same kind of school here, and this is what we found most suitable.
Okay. What made you choose Sera in the first place in Pune?
The hygiene and also the fact that they believe in fun and learning, and this being the first experience of the child, they like the school journey. So that fun concept while learning was important, and I found that in their methodology. So when I went for the counseling and we went there, and we went to other schools as well, preschool, we found something missing there. So this was more in sync with what we were looking for.
Okay. So based on your experience in this center, what are two good things you liked?
The method of the teaching and learning for child is really good. So a child really enjoys coming to school. It's very environment oriented method which they use.
And also they execute everything well. If you look at a small event, if you look at the annual day, or you look at their normal day-to-day curriculum, everything right from the beginning till the end is executed smoothly. So, that is something that they've really taken care of.
Okay. Can they do anything better? Any suggestions?
Well, this being their first, I think this is the first year, I think they're doing pretty well, but what they could do is maybe at the same time involve parents more, have more events for parents, maybe have parenting workshops, those things, on a Saturday, Sunday kind of thing. So more events for parents is one thing that I could look at. Otherwise, I'm very satisfied with what is delivered.
Okay. Last question from the scale of 1 to 5. How would you rate Sera International for other parents, 5 being the highest?
I would say 4.
Okay. Thank you.